and rule 6. Okay. See, it's two pinyin. All third tone, right? Yeah, third tone. So if two words are together and both the third tone, so the first word is word should change to the second tone. We don't read the third tone, second tone. So how to say this word? 你好. You see? When two words all the third tone, we change the first word to the second tone, not 你好, but 你好, 我, 你好, okay? 你好 means hello. 你好. Okay? Yeah. Two words also, both are the third tone. We put the first word into the second tone. 你好. So one more example. I'll read this one. 老虎. Sure. Two words on the third tone. 老虎. 老虎 老 我 老 right? Well 我 老虎 right? Means tiger, okay? 老虎 tiger, okay? Okay, so on. Okay, three words together. There are three words together. So there's three words, right? These three words together, they are all third tone. You see these three words, all third tone, right? Yeah. We change the second word. Let's change the second word to the second tone. Yeah. So we don't read it. 小老 read it 小老虎. Okay. Yeah. Right. We change the second word to the second tone. Okay. Yeah. See one more example. Yeah, how to read this one? First, you see, these three words are third tone, so we change the second word to the second tone, right? Yeah, so how to read this one? 要西要笑 where 小 I, right? And then like the English alphabet I, hi, 我 hi 小孩 岛 where 岛 小海岛 yes, this little island, okay? 小海岛 okay? Okay, let's see more examples, okay? Yeah. How to read this one? Yeah, first you see they are all third tone, right? Yeah, so we change the second word into tone, right? Yes. So I read this one. 好 yes 好 this one. Sorry. Okay. So I read this one. 喷我捧，所以好捧 This is your part. You. Yes, well, you. So, 好朋友. This is your part. Do you remember? Sorry, this is all part. This is all part. Okay. Yeah, so means good friends, okay? So let's do a quick review, okay? So if two words together are all the third tone, we mark. We change the first word to the second tone, okay? Let's more example like. Yeah, we don't read it. 本笔 we read it 本笔 second 本笔 okay, means chalk. This one 洗澡 yes, we don't 洗澡 okay? Take a shower. This one more example. Yeah, read it. 想洗澡 read it. 想洗澡 right? Want to take a shower, okay? So that's the 6 rules of Pinyin, okay? Yes, that's the 6 rules of Pinyin. So you try to remember all of these rules, okay? Yeah, help you to pronounce the correct tone, okay? Yeah.